Hello, Sleepyheads! Welcome to the mystical rainforest. Today, we're going to take a look at the animals in the rainforest. The sun is slowly setting, and it's getting late. The animals in the rainforest should be resting now. Shall we go see who is still awake? Let's go. Hello, little deer. Today, our gentle friend, the deer, roamed through the enchanted forest, gracefully leaping over streams and nibbling on tender leaves. As the moonlight bathes the forest in its soft glow, the little deer finds a cozy spot to rest. Let's all say goodnight to little deer and wish it sweet dreams. Good night, little deer. Hello, little raccoon. Today, our clever friend, the raccoon, tiptoed through the moonlit woods, exploring every nook and cranny with its inquisitive paws. With a mischievous twinkle in its eyes, it gathered shiny trinkets and playful memories. Now, as the night deepens, the little raccoon finds a cozy hideaway among the trees to rest. Let's all say goodnight to little raccoon and wish it sweet dreams. Good night, little raccoon. Hello, little Ocelot. Today, our spotted friend, the Ocelot, prowled through the moonlit jungle with agile grace, its keen eyes glinting in the darkness. It playfully stalked through the underbrush, exploring the wonders of the night. Now, as the stars twinkle above, the little Ocelot finds a cozy spot to curl up and rest. Let's all say goodnight to little Ocelot and wish it sweet dreams. Good night, little Ocelot. Hello, little Sloth. Today, our slow-moving friend, the Sloth, leisurely traversed the treetops in the tranquil moonlit forest. With a gentle sway, it hung from branches and enjoyed the serene night. Now, as the stars shimmer in the sky, the little sloth finds a cozy nook to snuggle up and rest. Let's all say goodnight to little Sloth and wish it sweet dreams. Good night, little Sloth. Hello, Rhino. Today, our strong friend, the rhino, ambled through the moonlit savanna, its horn gleaming under the starry sky. It grazed on the lush grass and rumbled contentedly. Now, as the night settles in, the rhino finds a cozy spot to rest its powerful frame. Let's all say goodnight to Rhino and wish it sweet dreams. Good night, Rhino. Hello, little Lemur. Today, our lively friend, the lemur, leaped through the moonlit trees of the jungle, its striped tail swaying with each playful bounce. It chattered and played with its fellow lemurs, creating a symphony of jungle sounds. Now, as the night settles in, the little lemur finds a cozy place to rest. Let's all say goodnight to little lemur and wish it sweet dreams. Good night, little lemur. Hello, little Loris. Today our quiet friend, the loris, moved with slow precision through the moonlit forest, its large, round eyes observing the world with curiosity. It gently reached out for branches and explored the night with cautious steps. Now, as the stars twinkle in the sky, the little loris finds a snug spot to settle down and rest. Let's all say goodnight to little Loris and wish it sweet dreams. Good night, little Loris. Hello, little Toucan. Today, our colorful friend, the Toucan, soared through the moonlit rainforest with its vibrant beak, catching the gleam of the night. It hopped from branch to branch, its cheerful calls echoing through the canopy. Now, as the night deepens, the little toucan finds a cozy perch to rest. Let's all say goodnight to little toucan and wish it sweet dreams. Good night, little toucan. We've bid good night to all the animals in the rainforest. Now we go ensuring they're all peacefully asleep. Every adorable animal has drifted off, and now it's your turn to rest. Good night, Sleepyhead.